my channel, y'all. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bells. Thank you. Now let's get into this. So this look is for Valentine's Day. Of course, it's Friday. It's right around the corner. I wanted to do something red, something sexy, dramatic with the dark black, something glowing. I got the nice little exotic hair going on and everything. So the good thing is mainly everything I use is drugstore brand, so you don't have to break the bank to get cute. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, go ahead and stick around. Before we get into the tutorial, really quick, I still have a giveaway running on my channel, so make sure you go ahead and enter that giveaway. Good luck to everyone, and hold up for this little looky look. so that is it. Very simple and sexy as hell, may I add. Listen, y'all better enjoy your Valentine's Day this Friday, okay? It's a Friday. It is a Friday, so you can have fun on Friday after work, Saturday and Sunday. Live it up this weekend, y'all, because, yeah, I know I am. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below. And again, into that giveaway if you haven't done so already. I'm out of here. Later. Bye.